Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to try a new recipe, another recipe from this cookbook, Ready or Not, 150 Make Ahead, Makeover, Paleo recipes. That's what the cover looks like on this book. And we're going to make this recipe. It's called Cracklin chicken. I actually found a few YouTube videos on this recipe and people say it's really good. It's really crispy and it's very moist chicken. It's just really good. And all you really need, guys, for this recipe is chicken. You need bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. I do have to take the bone out and kind of pound it. I don't have a pounder, so I'll have to figure out what I'm going to do about that. But and you fry it, and it's supposed to be very moist chicken, like fried chicken, but not flour. I'm going to show you the pictures. That's what it looks like. And here's the recipes on how to make it. Apparently the author in this cookbook, she used, basically you salt the skin and the meat side part. She added some magic mushroom spice. I don't have that. I found this at Whole Foods. It's called Bone Sucking Chicken Sauce Seasoning and Rub. I've never tried this before, guys. So I'm eager to try this out for you guys, and you know, I'm going to try the spice today on this chicken, and I hope it turns out well. And yeah, let's get cooking. Guys, I just took the bone out of this chicken. I just used a knife. I didn't have scissors. So to flatten it, I'm just going to go with my spatula. I do not have a meat pounder. Hoping this will be good enough. Looks like it's getting thinner. So that's good. Alright, I think it's flat enough. Let's start cooking it. Alright guys, I have the chicken. I cooked it a couple of times on each side. I want to make sure it's crispy. I think it's done. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And yeah, let's just cut a piece and see how it tastes. It's really crispy, so that's good. Can't wait to try it for you guys. Let's try this small piece right here. Pretty good. Yeah. It's very tender, guys. I really like it. It's hot, too. Yeah. Really good. Alright, guys. I recommend you try this recipe. If I would have to rate it, I'll probably get it 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's pretty good. It's crispy and juicy and very tender. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you want to check out this book, I will leave the link in the description box down below. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace!